Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel again. So today we are going to discuss about the auto scaling with Terraform. And I have mentioned everything in this blog. If you want to check out this blog, you can check that from this link which I will be keeping in the description box. Now, understanding scaling, prerequisites, create an auto scaling group, test scaling. Yesterday we have learned how to create AWS S3 bucket with Terraform. Today we will see how to scale our infra through Terraform. Understanding scaling. So, scaling is the process of adding or removing resources to match the changing demands of your application. As your application grows, you will need to add more resources to handle the increased load. And as the load decreases, you can remove extra resources to save costs. Terraform makes it easy to scale your infra by providing a declarative way to define your resources. You can define the number of resources you need, and Terraform will automatically create or destroy the resources as needed. Create a terraform.tf file declaring the providers, so which we have already created in the previous session. So please go and watch that video. Next is the provider.tf that we also created in the previous session. So please go and watch those videos where we are just providing the region and the provider. VPC also we have created in the previous session. The two subnets that we have created. So here we are creating two public subnets further initialized to the auto scaling group as a multi subnet initialization. Therefore subnet.tf terraform file that we can just edit, and the integrate internet gateway again we have created in the previous session. Root table also we have created in the previous session. So create a security group to define SSH HTTP. This also we have discussed in the previous session. So please go watch all of those videos before starting this. Then you will get the understanding of why we are skipping this here. So auto scaling groups are used to automatically add or remove EC2 instances based on the current demand. Follow these steps to create an auto scaling group. So that's how we launch the configuration. Yeah, my image, instance type, security groups, and user data. Here we are giving just echo, and we are giving creating this auto scaling group with the name web server ASG launch configuration with this ID, minimum size 1, maximum size 3, desired capacity 2. It should create with the desired capacity. Health check EC2, load balancer. We are giving the load balancer name VPC. We are just giving the public subnet IDs that we have created in the previous session. So this is the autoscaling.tf file. So run Terraform apply to create the autoscaling group of its all dependent resources through Terraform as mentioned as prerequisite. And it will create all of them. 10 got added, 0 changed, 0 destroyed. Navigate to AWS Management Console. Check the creating autoscaling group. So autoscaling group got created like you see here. Desired capacity 2, minimum capacity 1, maximum capacity 3. In the autoscaling Terraform configuration, we set the desired capacity to 2. So that's why 2 instances are running. So to test the scaling, go to an AWS Management Console and select the autoscaling groups. Select the autoscaling group you just created and edit that. Now keep this desired capacity as 3. Wait for few minutes. A new server, new instance will give it launched, and go to EC2 instance service and verify that new instance have been launched. Decrease the disable desired capacity to 1 and wait for the extra instance to be terminated. If you go and watch that these two got terminated and only one is running. So that's how you test the auto scaling, and that's all for today. If you want to practice hands-on, you can just go through it. Go through this blog, and link will be in the description box. Please go and watch this. Go and practice hands-on on this, so you will get better understanding on auto scaling. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching until the end.